Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George was back in criminal court this afternoon, nearly 1 month after going before the judge in a separate criminal case.
George is now facing 2 felony charges of money laundering after investigators uncovered the alleged crimes during their investigation into his former chief of staff, Thurl Patel. To Investigate's Mario Diaz was inside the courtroom today. And Mario, tell us how much money the court records are referencing.
Well, according to investigators, it's between $30,000 and $150,000. Now, this was Judge K.P. George's official arraignment behind me here at the Fort Bend County Justice Center. And I can tell you that George really didn't go before the judge for much time today. His lawyers did, though. George, though, was in the room. In fact, he was sitting right behind me. Now, ever since April the 4th, the focus on George has intensified as a result of being charged with 2 felonies. 2 Investigates was the only media outlet to capture George, turning himself in on that Friday afternoon at the county jail. On that day, I asked George if he had anything to share with the people of Fort Bend County. We asked him multiple times again last month when he appeared in the misdemeanor criminal case levied against him involving his former chief of staff, Thurl Patel. And today, once again, I attempted a few more times to get George to share his version of the story to those that he represents. Judge George, I just asked a question to your attorney, and you wanted to respond. It seemed like you had something to say. That. Do you have anything to add today, Judge George?
There will be a time, Mario, where he will be able to address.
I'm asking Judge George a question.
I know you are, but I'm going to answer for him because I've been hired. Thank you, Mario. I appreciate that. Yeah. Okay.
Jared, we're simply asking for your client's take. We're providing him with an opportunity to tell his side of the story.
Mario, but have you ever heard a case where an individual is represented by a client in a criminal matter and the client just goes out and speaks? Well, you know,
we've had clients speak before. Okay. Judge George, if you ever want to sit down with me, just let me know.
You get the extension.
I'm just giving him the opportunity.
Eventually you're going to get it.
And again, that's all we're trying to do here is he's the county judge. We want to see what he has to say about everything that's going on with him with these proceedings. George, though, says he's done nothing wrong. He plans on fighting this. His attorneys say they expect this case to be dismissed or actually, if they go to the trial, he'll be found not guilty. But they expect that this process could last up to 1 year's time. At the same time, George is expected to be back behind me here at the Fort Bend County Justice Center on June the 26th. That's the very latest out here in Richmond. That's in Fort Bend County. Mario Diaz, KPRC 2 News.